we'll move gently from one word in Korean to three in English. Let's begin soft and calm.
메뉴,
Menu. 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 Can I see the menu?
주문하다,
Order. 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 I'll order here.
포장해 주세요.
To go. To go. To go. I'd like it to go.
매장에서 먹고 갈게요.
For here. For here. For here. It's for here, please.
진동벨,
Buzzer. 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 Come when the buzzer rings.
잔,
Cup. 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 Please give it to me in a hot cup.
얼음,
Ice. 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 No ice, please.
휘핑크림,
Whipped cream. Whipped cream. Whipped cream. Add whipped cream, please.
시럽,
Syrup. 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 Add vanilla syrup, please.
계산대,
Counter. 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 Please order at the counter. To help you remember, we'll repeat just the pronunciation once more. Menu. Order. To go. For here. Buzzer. Cup. Ice. Whipped cream. Syrup. Counter. Just being here is enough. Thank you for being with me today.